Alright, so let's quickly run through these last few examples here. You've hopefully tried this one already. You'll notice again there's no common factor between all four of these terms. Let's try grouping. So if we group these two guys together, the common factor between 5my and 10am is 5m. And left over you're going to have y plus 2a. Okay, and if you look at these next two terms here, minus ny and minus 2an, they both have a minus in common. They both have an n in common. So, sorry, excuse my n there. So what's left over is going to be, again, a y. And you got to be careful with the signs here. This was negative. We factored out the negative 1, so it's going to be plus 2a. So now y plus 2a is your common factor between both these guys. And you have 5m minus n left over. Okay, and for this last one here, between these first two terms, 4a is our common factor, x minus y is left over. Sorry, 2x minus y is left over. And between our next two terms here, they both have 3b in common, again with 2x minus y left over. So that factors into 2x minus y, 4a plus 3b. Okay, for this last one here, we were asked to simplify this expression by factoring the numerator. We're going to assume that x cannot be equal to 0. The reason we have to assume that, because if x could be equal to 0, this denominator here could be 0, and as we all know, we can't have a denominator of 0. So what we're going to do here is factor the numerator. So we're going to be, if we look between 3x to the fourth, 6x cubed, and 9x squared, they have a common factor of 3 for the coefficients, between 3, 6, and 9. And between x to the fourth, x to the power 3, and x to the power 2, there's x squared. So we take that as a common factor, and we have left over x squared plus 2x plus 3. And that's now all over 3x squared. So the nice thing now is once we have those factored out, the 3x squared up here and the 3x squared here cancel, and you just be left with x squared plus 2x plus 3.